Yo, what's going on, y'all? This your boy Teddy B Blackman, and back with a little slight cooking video. I ain't did one of these in a long time. Told myself I was gonna get back into it. Just needed something kind of creative to want to make. So today we're going with pizza pie, and that's in the literal sense. We're literally gonna make a pie, but instead of apple pie, sweet potato, we're gonna do pizza. So as you can see, I basically panning through the ingredients, which is pizza sauce, obviously, ricotta cheese, shredded cheese. We got some sausages. I got some pepperonis as well, and then you got the pie crust. Now I'm gonna start off by saying you want to either thaw the pie crust about 20 to 30 minutes before you cook, and you also want to once you preheat the oven about 375 to 400, depending on what your time frame is looking like. You want to pre-cook the crust for about 10 to 15 minutes to get it going. After that, you want to take the ricotta cheese and you want to spread it like so, until you get like a nice little thin. You want a thin layer. As you can see, this is a little thick, and I'm experimenting, so I did one without ricotta cheese at all. I just wanted to see like what the difference in taste would be as far as the pizza go. So yeah, you want to spread it until it's a layer, and then you want to get your pizza sauces. Now the brand is up to you. It's up to your liking. It doesn't really matter and whatnot. I got some 365 organic pizza sauce. It's low sodium, and you basically do the same thing. You spread it across the base of the pie crust, and now it's time to get a little messy, man. It's time to add the cheese, as we got shredded pizza blend cheese, and we done the same exact thing, spread it across as a layer. I use pepperoni and sausages, and again, the brands and stuff doesn't matter. As you can see, as far as the sausages go, I got Jimmy Dean, and I have some Ollie pepperoni. It's antibiotic free, you know, as organic as you can get with pepperoni. And as you can see, I sprinkle the sausages around the cheese, and then I added the pepperonis on top. And what you're gonna do is, as you can see how it's looking, what you want to do is you basically want to put this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Again, my oven is on 375, so I'm cooking for about 45 minutes. Now I do want to mention again, it is important that you preheat the crust before you do this procedure to make sure that everything cooks fully through. As you can see, after 45 minutes, this is what it looks like. It is golden brown. We're gonna let that sit for a few minutes, and then it is time to enjoy. It's gonna be nice and gooey. Pepperoni looks great, sausage looks great, and that's your piece of pie, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share.